In this video we'll show you how to fix the WinWord application error with the error code 0xc0000142. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like this video to get more video updates. First, go to the Start menu and search the Control panel. Then open Uninstall a program. Then look for Microsoft Office. Right-click. Then select Change. Now, select an online repair. Then click Repair. Then click Repair to continue. Now, wait until it finishes. Then close. Now let us open the Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video to get more video updates.